Students, welcome back to the 11th session of Basic to Advanced Java series, where you and me are going to learn code and execute Java problems together. So, our problem of the day is check whether a number is Armstrong number or not. So, students, what exactly is a Armstrong number? I'll tell you. If there is a number 10, Armstrong number says that the individual integers of 10, the cube of individual integers of 10 should be equal to the number itself, which means if I am considering number 10, then number 10's cube plus 0's cube should be equal to 10. In this case, it is not equal to 10, it is equal to 1. So, number 10 is not an Armstrong number. But let us check for 153. So, 153 is 1, 1's cube plus 5's cube plus 3's cube, which is 1 plus 125 plus 27, which is 153. Students, how will our logic work? It's very easy. I'll tell you. So let us consider we'll take a variable n and the number is 153. So what we will do is we'll be dividing the last digit of the number 153, which is 3. Then we will be taking the cube of number 3 and adding it into another variable called sum. Okay, students, then we will do this process again for number 5. Now we will be removing the number 3 from this n number, and then we will be applying the same logic to number 5. Then we will be applying the same logic to number 1. And now I'll show you how we'll do this. First, we will create a public class. Let's name our public class as Armstrong. Let us create an entry point of a class, public static void main. Now we have to create an integers. What we have to create exactly? We have to create a sum integer. We have to create a num integer where we will be taking a number as 153. We have to create a sum integer where we will add the cubed version of number 153. Okay, so let us initialize it as 0 and let us take a temporary variable to perform manipulation on this integer, because if we perform the manipulation on num, it will change our original value. We don't want to change our original value. We will be doing it locally. So temp equals to num. Now what we'll do, we create a while loop, and the while loop will go till the temporary value is 0, which means it will consider 3, then it will consider 5, then it will consider 5, then it will consider 1, and after 1 there is nothing. So the loop will end automatically. So while temp is not equal to 0, now we have to create an integer where we'll be taking individual digits, which means integer digits equals to temp divisible by 10. This will take the last digit of our number, which is the variable temp. Now what we have to do, we just have to add the cubed version of the number taken here and add that into the variable sum. Okay students, so what we have to do here, we have to call an property of java math.pow digits, and we have to cube it, so we'll be writing 3. And now students, we'll just remove the number taken here. Now here it is considering the number 3. Now we have to remove the number 3 and run the while loop again with the number 5. So what we'll be doing, we'll be dividing the number by 10. Okay students, and then we'll simply run our code. For this we can also run an if loop, where if our num equal to sum, then system.out.println it is an Armstrong number. Now let us execute. Oops, sorry students, semicolon is very important in the code. It is an Armstrong number. Now let us check for another number what we have checked before. Let us check for number 10. It is not, I have not given any else but it is not. Here there is no execution, no printing, nothing. So it is not an Armstrong number. Okay students, this is the very simple logic for Armstrong number, how to find whether a number is Armstrong number or not. So students, keep learning, keep practicing. Signing off.